Several people are typing.
I blame Alex for that.
Papa wants his ace!
I didn't do any.
Papa wants his ace. You gotta get it now after saying that.
I can't get it!
It was because she said Papa wants his ace, it put you off.
I started laughing!
Papa wants his ace! No, I don't think you had that kind of ace. Nobody wants that.
That's one off.
Are they actually women? Have I just harassed women on the internet?
What am I running around for? Oh, I need to place my damn thing, don't I? Oh, I've already got one though. What?
Why can't I place this shield?
Oh, Byron, that's a position. You're operating.
What are you guys doing?
Yeah, you just...
We are in the right headspace, we were just laughing too much.
I mean, we appear to be semi-winning, so who knows?
That's what happens when you play one-handed.
I
He's looking at kids. Ryan!
You naughty.
And then I did like a double take,
Can't
and then
clutch
went
if you
back and
stop
tried to
behaving.
Hello!
shoot them.
is.
And Look, I be playing Peekaboo Championship.
Mate, she's high on Dokkan.
Impact. I'm recording that.
Oh no!
Look away.
Wait.
Freaking water out of. I feel like I'm the only one on this squad who actually understands that gadgets exist.
Just shot that up your arse.
I ran out, it didn't go to plan. You idiot!
Someone went past ping.
Hold still! Hold still! Simp for another woman, are we?
Wait, Nisa, you came here because you're lonely, shut up.
That's why we're all here, why are you here, Ryan? She got no other friends.
I don't know.
Stop! You violated the law.
Patch.
What?
No, never mind. I wasn't, I was twerking on him. I didn't do it.
I did.
Don't look at me like that with judgment.
M'lady.
Nisa. Catch. Where's this drone at? Come here. Who shot? You shot. I was gonna get it with my. Is there a drone around here? I want it. Yep, one here.
Hey, Ubisoft's doing a bandwave.
We're up next.
This Jaeger is actually doing Ryan's skills. He hasn't put down a single gadget.
I put down the ADSs.
Yeah, but he hasn't put down anything.
Yeah, mate, if you put down your ADS, you would have got that kill. If he doesn't play Jaeger now, God, he must have been like,
Ryan, there's another Ryan.
Is there? Oh, hello. We're going again. Oh. Sorry. I keep making myself laugh. Stop it.
Kate's in the room.
Oh, what? How?
I need out, Byron. Fuck. Did you shoot me? Was that you? I got mozzied. Oh. Being shot at. The play.
Oh no, Louise. Louise.
GG, my guys. Clash vs Virgin. Yeah.
Every night in my dreams, I hear you.
Sorry, I need to see what angle that was.
I like the daffodils.
Oh, that's
I like the mountains. I like the rolling hills.
Ash is
I
outside
like
one of the sites replying.
when the nights moon. Boom the other, boom the other, boom the other.
Far.
You turned this
Where?
last time.
I gotta pick up where I left off. Don't
It's just not very creative. Like what?
Where?
Kill him.
When in the spring, bam, 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 bam. As spring became the summer. Did come.
Somebody's out here.
Not very good at reading.
I didn't get in karaoke in time, and I was scared. I died.
Touching hand, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Sweet Caroline.
But.
The people downstairs in my house all joined in. Oh my god, he's gonna hit the table. No, he's coming! No! I can't ADS! He was walking slow as well.
It's getting played out of frame! Shut
Oh my
no, what the fuck?
Oh, we're playing again! We're playing again!
No, because I'm a woman.
Byron, come here. Right. I've got the vector, so I can't do it, but just peek out there and just look at the edge of the thing. For like the first 10 seconds. If someone runs around that corner, you can just baff them. Oh. Everyone came for me! You warden, you can see me!
I thought he was a hologram for a second there, but then I realized it's not.
That's the funniest thing I've seen all day.